Good morning guys, and welcome to a morning routine. I don't know if I've ever done one of these on my channel, and I've made YouTube videos for like 6 or 7 years now, so there's a first for everything. But I felt like I wanted to share my like healthy morning routine with you guys, because I am obviously in like the health and fitness space, and I truly believe that what you do in the morning sets your intentions for the rest of the day. And I don't know, I've got into a really good kind of morning routine in the past couple of months, and I just wanted to share that with you guys because yeah, it might help inspire or motivate or just fun to watch. I don't know, I love morning routines. So the first thing I do in the morning is make my bed, open the blinds, wash my face, and then I usually either go for a walk if I'm not like too hungry already. Like I'll get dressed, go for a walk. If I'm starving, which I was this morning, I'll have breakfast first and then go for a walk afterwards. So I've just made a bowl of wheat bix, which they're going soggy now as I talk, but I feel like in these morning routines a lot of people make like, you know, scrambled eggs on toast with smashed avo and just like fancy stuff. I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I do not do anything fancy in the morning. I'll have wheat bix, PB on toast, oats. Like I'm very kind of basic and quick in the morning. Anywho, I'm gonna eat my breakfast and then I'm gonna go for my morning walk. I can't believe I almost forgot the most important part. Coffee. So when I get home from my walk, I generally start writing my to-do list. This one is just from Kmart, but I am such a planner. Like I have a to-do list, I have a weekly planner, I have a meal planner. I just love writing pen to paper. I feel like I get so much more done and I'm a lot more productive when I have a full list in front of me. And I think a lot of it is because I do work for myself and I work from home, that, you know, sometimes I have home things to do like dishes and washing, and then I'll have work things to do like send specific emails or send invoices or have client calls. So to-do lists are my savior. I also have a Google Calendar which kind of plans out my week and shows me in like color coordinated form when I have calls, when I have check-in emails, all that kind of stuff. So I am a huge planner, so I do that every single morning, usually when I have my coffee or my breakfast. And then pretty much by 9 AM I'm on my computer responding to emails or starting my client calls. So this morning I don't have any calls until 2 PM, so I'm just gonna respond to some emails, do some invoicing and all that kind of fun stuff. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys what my Google Calendar looks like and how I kind of coordinate it all. So all of the red boxes are client check-in calls. And then I have my admin, my programming. So I leave Thursday free from any calls or PT work, just so I can be at my laptop and do everything I need to do. I've got my workouts planned 4 times a week. I've got my lunch and my walk. I also do a walk before I start work every day, but I don't know why that's not in there. I should probably put that in there. Yeah, that is a little overview. I almost forgot to end out this vlog because I'm not used to ever having to end out a vlog midday. But I just made a berry smoothie for lunch. I'm so excited to drink this. But that pretty much concludes my morning routine. My morning is pretty smooth, I would say. I'm usually one to work out more so in the evening than I am in the morning, but I always make sure to go for a morning walk at least so that I'm getting up and moving my body. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see a nighttime routine, please let me know down below. I can show you guys like my workout, what we cook for dinner and all that kind of stuff, but I feel like that type of content is already in my vlogs mostly. It's usually the morning stuff that I like don't ever show, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to also hit subscribe if you are new to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!